Hello friends and welcome to the Punch video time. Today we are going to be learning how to make 3D objects on Scratch. So let's start now. So first let's delete the catty sprite and then let's just make a simple rectangle. Nice simple rectangle. And then let's start coding. So when flag clicked, let's zoom it in. So when flag clicked, I want to go to, oops, did I just put it in the correct position? Let me just see. It should be right in the middle. So set it to x0 and y0, somewhere right down there. Go to x0 and y negative 100. So it goes down there. And then let's put in a hide block. So hide, set size to 100 before the hide, and then a set brightness effect to set ghost, but brightness effect to negative 60. So when the flag is clicked, go to the position, set size to 100, hide, and then set brightness effect to negative 60. You can put the brightness effect to any number you want, but it should be in a negative number. Next, I want to put a repeat of 60 because I've set the brightness effect to negative 60. I have to repeat 60 times. So I have to repeat the brightness effect, the number of the brightness effect without a minus. Without, it should not be a negative number, it should be a positive number. Then create a clone of myself. So it will create clones of itself. Change y by 1. When I start such a clone, change y by 1 is just the same. And then change, not set. Remember, a change brightness effect by 1. 12 but 1. So like that. Change brightness effect by 1. So after it sets, it repeats 60 times, it creates a clone of itself, it changes the y by 1, and then change brightness effect by 1. After that, put in a when I start as a clone block. So when I start as a clone, somewhere around there, I need free space to code it. Free space. So first I want to show how it looks like. So it looks like that. Okay. So let me just set it to negative 70 and the repeat to negative 70. 70. So you can just set it like that. That looks like nice. You can set it to 70 as well. And then when I start as a clone, I first want to show, and then forever some 2 ifs, duplicate the if, keys right arrow and left arrow, key right, duplicate, key left, not any, well, key left. Then for key right, turn like this 5 degrees. And then for key left, turn like this 5 degrees. So let's see how it works. So first it just changes and then it looks like it's 3D. That's what we want. So we finished today's episode. Now let me show you also something else. If I delete this, then make quite a nice circle. See that how the circle looks like. It looks like 3D. So you can do this with anything. So that that's why we call it a tutorial, a 3D objects tutorial. So see how it looks like. It looks like this. You can play around with the numbers and see which numbers is best for you, like -99, and then repeat 99 times. It will look more nicer, and see, it will look more taller. So just play around with the numbers and find out which number is best for you, and then have fun. It didn't have fun playing with the numbers. See around. See, when I put it in 500. Quite nice, right? Looks like a chocolate already. So, till next time, everybody, scratch on. Don't forget to copy the codes for this nice episode. And thank you. See you next time. Bye.